So the convention center has used MityLite products for nearly 20 years, and we are convinced of the durability and the performance, of your product lines. So it was somewhat of a no-brainer to go back to you, to Mighty, and to identify again our new needs. Mighty worked with us. The Mighty sales and design team worked with us to develop a custom chair for both our banquet and assembly use. And today it's included in your product line, I believe. It's the Encore CX chair. And they incorporated, you incorporated features that were new to your product line, but ideas that our general manager had and felt that it would be a service to our guests. And, Mighty staff worked with us through several prototypes to ensure that we received a chair that was conducive to our needs and provided additional comfort and features for our guests. So HCC then moved to order a complete replacement of all our chairs in 2019. And they're honestly interested in working with the venue to ensure that whatever our needs are met. And we did throw out some creative new ideas for some of the chairs that we had requested, and MityLite worked very closely with us. One outstanding point in working with MityLite, it's the commitment of the staff to patiently work with us through the design process, incorporate all of these new ideas through the budget approval, which took years, if you can imagine, through state approvals, and then through manufacturing and delivery and assembly. Each step was efficiently planned and executed, and it really made it a smooth process for us. And so we're sitting here in Hawaii now, very pleased with what we have. And we've actually put in a second order. You're able to accommodate that new order. Everything was just received recently. So again, we're very pleased. And, we would suggest MityLite to any other venue out there.
It was great working with such professionals. I mean, we just have an idea in mind of what we want to do and how it would work for us. They really helped us put it all together to what works best for us, and it's awesome. We've been loving the new equipment and the new chairs and tables. They had all the answers. They were very patient with us. And out of the whole project, I think the best part was it's always about the people. The people is just, in Hawaii, we call it shaka. They're really shaka to work with. I just have to make a comment about the chair racks on top of our new chairs. And before COVID hit, we were actually using the new chairs, kind of replacing the old chairs while we were transitioning into the new chairs. And the people were loving the book rack underneath. It was a surprise because there was no other venue they've been to where they could put their book or the hook on back of the chair to hang a purse or a bag or something like that. And just those little things, man, really changed the game kind of for us. I can't wait to get another opportunity to acquire more equipment. I mean, whether it's a table or a chair or even the racks. The new racks have been just amazing with the new design of the wheels. Us guys who work on the floor, my team that works on the floor, find it so much easier to work with the new design on the simple tire change or handles, and just how the tables fit on the rack makes it a lot easier for my team to work with those little things on the ground during an event. Saves a lot of time, and I'm looking forward. I'm finding opportunities to buy new products and replacement products with you guys, and so I hope it's not too long before we can do some new projects together.